Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to use Lab 5, which will be covering LCD and HEX Keypad with ATMEGA using Atmel Studio and Proteus. Objective of this lab is interfacing of LCD using Arduino, making calculator using HEX Keypad and LCD, knowledge of how to make LCD header file in Atmel. So, introduction, LCD is liquid crystal display. Just compiler and compatible with the HD44580. And pin description is below. This is VSS, VDD, VE, RS, RWE, enable, and D0 to D7 and display pins. VSS is power supply, VCC is power supply 5 volt, which is ground, VE contrast adjust, and RS is on data input, and RW read input module, and AN is enable signal, D0 to D7 is the data bus line. And this is DD-RAM and display data RAM, and which is a display data store in represented 8-bit character codes. Its external capacity is 80 cross 8 bits or 80 characters, and CG ROM character generated ROM. Now the character generated ROM generates 5 cross 8 dot and or 5 cross 10 dot character pattern from 8-bit character codes. CGRAM is BF is busy flag, and instruction register IR and data register DR. These are two 8-bit registers in HDD controller, and data register and instruction register composed to register various send commands to LCD, LCD shift command, LCD clear, LCD address, etc. Command and instruction set are down below. You can doesn't these four categories instruction that designate LCD functions such as display, format, data length, and third internal RAM addresses. Perform data transfer, and with internal RAM perform miscellaneous function. And this is although looking at table view table for instruction set. This is hex and this is decimal. This is initial LCD initialization. It's my reset circuit. LCD connection in 4-bit mode. You can use D4 to D7 or D0 to D3. Software procedure Atmel Studio and Proteus is deprecated earlier, and hardware procedure 2. Activity 1. This is the header file. If and if LCD display H and define LCD.header file. This is 16 megahertz frequency of CPU, and header file and define enable RS and RW. We have LCD command function, LCD initialize LCD data string, shift left and shift right function, and command function. Command function is here, and port A and port C, and display, and using delay we can use the command window, and this is initialization. The command, the value passing through LCD command, different values such as 800E0130, and LCD data is here, and string also. This is the code. This is the 16 megahertz include AVR.h, and the main function port C and port A, our output, and LCD initialization, and dual parenthesis LCD, and LCD string function calling left 20 and right shift 20. This is the function, and this is the protein simulation and voltage regulator here, which for brightness control. Activity 2, we have a header file as well, and just move on to our simulation. Uh, this is the code. This is main code, and every pin code we is showing, and LCD data will be printed here, and which is 549129, and when we use hex, what will we connect, then which will print on the LCD. So in this lab, we have learned about LCD display, how to create a certified and how to work with it, and to interface LCD and its basic operation. We have learned about making calculator using LCD and HEX Keypad interfacing done by Arduino Vega and language using ABR code. Thank you so much for watching. Hafiz.